And the winner, Rafael Bahalang Wankar of Dua Jingkapan.
Lesi kan long kesian ke beningkong bagi pajak nong snong kan nong bak selong kin yo i ke jing yakun jo ki kena bagi samla ki balong kerpang hapning ke jing duna dokot met ha ke para am fight ke beningkong tam ha ke jela. Kini kena niki jaka puli beper niki katukan itali district kilawan mi banya aireng ha kan niki lempung kentup ki bam yo i ki bam yo sngo ki ba shem shitam ha ka yat ke yeng berkumju ki ba kham shem shitam ha ka bor berkan. Yang ini kejenggi kun ke balakot ke Shillong para Arm Fight and Open Challenger Arm Fight Championship Arjar Pulai lepen long nak Troilang Welfare Society ringkat kejenggi Troilang baka Bouncer Association of Meghalaya bat kumju ke Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association Hamadan Malki Shillong ha khasau tri Risau Arjar Pulai da kejenggi kersan ketenat social welfare jaga sarkar jella. Hakan ni gelumpung lawan mi nadu ki hybrid hadu ki kena samla ki bakentup shinrang berkentai. Wala kadang day kesin ke beningkong ki kena puli bagi pajak nong kersan na keleng ki lawan tuai ban saki shirham ya ka mensiam ya kun jong kini kena.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Habai keram bagi kami ki kapa lem kinong hikai ki pensngau bakani kalong ke badan kam na bentah ki kena bikin yo ban mi madan ban pini la ki sap ha kaju kapor bani kendu bat ki we de ki kena bakum maki ha ka lempung yakun tang supet ke madan malki ka phu ka phieng na ka jingphu sam ki kena ha ba ki yo ban wan yu kjat bat shim bentah hang ni
ngasngok men mo bakadan kum kini ki kaya rap ka imen sim shiboni kini ru ka encourage ki ba to be something in life ma nama kini te filate bhi ini bamlaya alis ka am ka kamrok strong kemudian tren kum kini ka rap shibun ete
kagani ka diksin beningkong ni banle
sin beningkong ti kampat practice ha te menta des ngalate bi lawan lang capability kini tangan sepen practice bhai lo excited mo no step
so kum no ba ladam ne kai kum tu
so komen ne thank you sungguh bakadon kum kini program
long kumba encourage ki kena kan makin long confident mo nang ki kena ki snotunat ban lekai ma kum practice jong ki hapo school bat hang ni kalong kala pher school ki kim dan le bhatan hang ni ma ki ki breu ai to ti ki snow klan ki snow khan mo man lekai
pelai practice fa school
mau koror barang-barang
practice fa school practice fa dia kagani ka diksin beningkong bat beli am wrestling ni la julian ne showai kadang ni first time kaya kenang le kai biang ada kadang yolat le biang dah seperti bahamo
nga tanga so ka jing men toy bha shibun namar kum ki khna o ki don ki buyo song hayang ma tiki yolat kum ban school ki kendo prakna school riling ma kum kania pada bakalong kum nem kum haka society dei ngathai ka khamlong develop sui ka main jong ki ngidai perkhat ndai tang ka jing la kai mo kawai baki kendo para nawai ke school na ki family ni ki tengah thai kila bot kop up teh ya ka life la jong kat bakila bangkin long kumangi bangai i tang kila jong de ki song hayeng kilong kum we haskul kilong de koi bakin dai kendo kum de pada pram kini ne ka pher kalong da kum we kajing kemen kajing long pher ki kalong da kum we ki pun lagi kena thai banyak ki baki jongi kum ki banang nang susu kasap dai but ki kilong no kum kim support mo lada kiwan morway lesi kadan ka jinglong kamet jong ki bakim la bonon morway handai ka kamram jong ki kemi ki pan ki bahayeng ba ken push long ken yalam lam kumba mangingi haplai lam i por dai jing belar hapep no hawan yalam soi ki kun ngong at least toy mo yo ki ya sunat bapri dai kari tang katahi bangi deka jing arab jong ki pa he Tegene kain ka school tikilai rap kare ka kamera sejongi kimi pa bangin pelaj bon kan.
What's your
Bangam
name?
Jingshai SM versus
My
Alban
name
Tumpul.
is
Please get ready
Labin.
after this bout.
Okay. Well, was this your first time competing?
Yes, my first time
How was it?
is good.
So how much time did you prepare for practice?
Ya ke Putih Kiji, Bino
Today's-
Boys.
1 day, 2 days, 2 days.
2 days. Okay. So how was the fight?
It's nice.
Nice.
Your first.
Second semi-final.
This is the first trophy.
First time. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Mary,
nice.
second
And also first
semi-final.
place.
Yeah.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
1 minute versus Haisalon Lingdo.
Academics ban pulih bat ni.
This is the
Si
second
hang ni pada
semi-final
kilala kan mengingi lapik kan.
of the
Kita
35
ni
kg
kena
below
aku sekolah.
hearing impaired.
Ibiang bah ke sports. Di tang ba mdon kalat pada aku nongin ngipin
Eh.
practice ya ki kay syukut
Bangam
tang
Jingshai
school.
SM has gone on to
Mdon
the
pada ki
final
bawan
whereas
menta pada ngi ai we are
Scambor
grateful to
now
the
occupy the third
Bouncers
position.
Association of Megalai.
Now we come straight to the final.
Hot invite
Bangam
yang
Jingshai
kan school jongi
SM
ki yo ban
versus
banyalam ki kena.
Gokia Pickup. Gokia
Meskipun
Pickup
lagi kena
coming
ibadah
from the winning side will
Iba
need
don
to win
sakai
only
nya
once.
sports.
Whereas Bangam
Kang ba
Jingshai
kata ka
SM
syok
coming from
tar
the
mang
losing
kita
side
pin
will
practice
need to
semua.
win.
Syukut nak tang school hi.
Twice.
Sino let am long kinali participate on the poi. Mentai ong kumki state level, kumki national level, dayo le sa tali te.
Hagan ni Limpung lawan ru ban saki du Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba Paul Lingdo kumukongsan khajing don lang ba kong Camelia Dorin Lingwa Director jog Directorate of Social Welfare Government of Meghalaya ringkat Dr. Sumar bin Umdor ubelong HOD jog Economics Department hanihu kumki sembut kongsan jong ni Limpung ini akai. Habai kiram ufu from media ba Paul hakan ni sengi uloong ba ketenat kadang pichu bandang wanra bun kiwi pat ki Limpung na benta jong kini kena banai jaka iki bikin yok ban sei kisab bekerpang nakaji trelang berketenat sports kumjuru baka Meghalaya State Olympic Association.
Kuma pila sakhi dalide ya ki sap ki phong ki ba kerpang ki ba kini ki bangi ong ki paralog persons with disabilities ki don kuma ha ka shot kuma ha ka rawai kuma ha ka bagi display ki talents ki jongki bat kumju ha kini ga jeng kun para am fight di ngi kum ka department ngi ku ban nang kentiu ya kini ki begini ki jeng persyang bat kani kadang datang ka sien ka beningkong ka jeng sedang dia bat ngi nang kami lenti bangin nang kam la ban penbahaya ka ha ka sedang banon ka ba kong sandu kalong ba ki brio ki ba don ha kani ka kategori ki ba kum kani ki kenuhun kim dei bandon ka tu jing sngau ba la kentai yeki ba ka imlang salang ka kentai yeki dan dia baki don ki jing duko jing duna ha ka mat ka phat ka jongki nak kata kadang organize kenang kum kini ba ngi kwa baki du kintep ba ki kim dei ki baduna yeno ru wa ki don ki jingla ka sports ki arts ba per wat ia kata ngin ai ka jing kersan ke department ke sarkar de ngin saya involve langru ya ke sports department dan ke State Olympic Association namar kiru kidei wanishim khialang ban kintiu ya kini ki kenuhun jong ki brio ki badan ki jeng ai ki bakal pang boleh ngia don rengkat bat ki ke sarkar ke don rengkat ku menteri ban kersan ki ke directorate ke jongi ke department ke jongi ngia don rengkat ban kersan bat ban pentikna ba hangno haba ki don gasap kepong ngi don rengkat ban kentiu ya kata
Habai kiran pat bat way ni samla bala job hakapara sitting boys right hand category u Hubert Lingdo nonglaj badang le ke master ke political science nihu ulang bakani ke dikalat bun yo bani le kai biang nadu bula du no bani le kai hakapor badang kham khna ulang meminta kalat kan play kambun kamtam bag Olympics kala ajing itu yakni ke para fight hakalempung ila kai jongka.
Kan ini di first time Cimenta first time.
Long experience.
Por bang sedang man practice nak tu kaji ketha ka bangkai long ka kapang timo Andre suki ka yu ka ja suki ka long use but long ai ngui blame apa wala da gila dula nak kendiat hi benta jong ka mat mo Andre blame pat play di bai pat ki jingkhang ka ba ini wa bani Cimenta man long ki bai along sangu i ba jun i ba encourage ngamo man Cimenta namar ba ngang di bang liakai football masuk Andre nadu bang sta mengamla syu te yang sense ba pim engage ko no sports one engage kan ni long kawin kalat ai kami pitin bo long ka jing em nadu masuk di ka ba ngai em po mar football ta laj ka mar football ngai em haka jaka practice shot te bangandu nak kini ki atlet ki benta ki ba ngai ba long ka kata mentally mo sport long ngam jukwa syu pe football ngam jukwa syu bangan pe ki jing shot namar bala dangat pe kapan long enga bangan duk mensiam te pin dapat mentakasi hang ni ru pin iba kajing keman kini kena te pin iba kasap ka bakar pang boblu ai ki wala da kimnang ban yo kim yo sngo ni ki laban shat klem ri sngo ki jing roi te pi long uba buan hi uba babiang ka mer ka te umnang man shat ri maki wala ki duna ka sekolah kila te ban yo ban pin i kata kasap boblu ai ki kam tam e bang iba ki smile kini kena kata kadai ka baik ba pen kemen syu ikan ma ba mener orang i ya ka we ka t-shirt ba phangwe khna ma remember to smile so Rafi long down kendia tu ha mental jumpi ma en rei lar pi i tu ka I'm see ta ba it's still a good be it any sport long encourage trainers bakin khot kerpang kini ki definitely able people bakin wan chakman onam ru jikerman ubulai udon ka plan ka bakham bahan anta jongfi ka ik ba phila banle ki wekin mala banle bar haju ka poru phi phim duna mo phim duna phi ka shudon ka me phi bapin mi chakman ban mi na to comfort zone ban ong ka jimu jiprat jongfi ngala banle ngang la bon job nyo ini ka price phila bon job nyo ini ka price kulis bon
Uba jun star kharbuli bolong wedi kinong penia jong ni lempung ulong bak jing dawa nabenta jong kani ke jing yakun kalami ne iwe ni kini khna ibalakwa banishim benta nomor bampat shim labu ika kategori nabenta jong ki
ka jing sim benta jong ki kadap da ka jing kemen hakaba dapat ni ke bisupet ni melung ka mensim ka plan kan dai Vietnam ta ka all India hoat ka national level kan don la simsnem dai kani ka all India ka dai ka jing betha jong ki Bollywood star ki babat ka arm wrestling association jong ka India ki ong nambar baki kwa ben penetrate dai maki kim sim la ong ya ka para athletes ki ong ba ya kani ka athletes jong ini ki physically able kan te hendrengi masin pen ngau ki bangi don kita ki para athletes ki lakmen te maki hi ki ba ai men sim ngi bet ka jing betha jong ki ka jing ai men sim jong ki ngasko ba ka urlong menta kan
hang ni sngi lawan man yu kjat ru di klor nong ikun am wrestling ba pau kari ki bla pen pau ki jing kindet ban yo i ka sap ki khna bat kemen ru bi lawan chakmat ban yakun ha kani lempung.
Actually, it is a very good initiative. In arm wrestling, generally para athletes are like being neglected. So with this, para athletes will be given more importance. They will also get importance. They will also like earn money, and they will get a platform to play. So it's a very good initiative. They will feel like they are equally treated like others. I think this kind of para arm wrestling should be held regularly in every state.
We haven't never witnessed such kind of event before. So only for the para arm wrestlers they have organized, thanks to Junstar and all the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association who took such an initiative. So I really feel great to witness such an event, and with the arm wrestling game which is going so much popular day by day, so everyone will get a chance, and seriously I'm telling you there is a lot of future for the para athletes also. So these kind of events are required so that they can feel they are differently able. So because they have their capability to show something new to the world.
Arm wrestling will definitely grow if this kind of things happen. I'm happy to see the smiling and the happy faces of the little kids. That's what I was want to say.
Next bout is between
Kibaila ka na kalian juga tembak sebab bakilat. Ini was yang ni kemat bagi isu ba. Kan nang tu. Kepat di yang ni kemat sebab
Alvarez.
Batasin.
Hakaju ka sengi ki rang mat ki thei le kai na kaleng jelaru ki lawan mi madan bani khun ki Open Challenger Championship haka kelamit lawan mensaki yakani duba fanten lagadong ubalong MDC kalam khra constituency. Hakani ki jingi khun joko Open Challenger Arm Wrestling Championship arjar phulai nakaleng ikin thei la job ikanam Champion of Champion di kong Wanda Lindsay Myong nakaleng shinrang la job ikanam Champion of Champion duba Alan Sun Marbanyang.